Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for gold for coming week. So let's start with the Forex factory first. And see what's happening in the market. Right, so we got Monday the 29th. No heavy impact or medium impact news. And then we got, Monday 29th. We got no heavy impact or medium impact. And the 30th, we got 3 p.m. heavy impact news. Mainly interested in USD. Euro, if you trade in Euro, we have 6:30 p.m. AM heavy impact news. All these times are UK times, yeah. Right. And furthermore, on Wednesday 31st, last day of the month, have got quite a heavy impact news. AUD at 2:30 a.m. with JPY. We can expect movement in JPY pairs as well. It's quite a few news and at 6 a.m. as well. And then we got Euro 10 a.m. These are all UK times, and we got Euro 10 a.m. right, and as I said, and then 1:30 we got CAD. We got 3 p.m. USD and 7 p.m. USD. Federal funds rate, FOMC statement, and also FOMC press conference. So for the US dollar, we have impact news, and for core CPI, this for Euro, that's quite have impact news as well. So JPYs have some important news as well, and AUD. So it seems quite important day for all the major currencies on according to the news. So according to this calendar, sorry, and then we got Thursday. We got GBP official bank rate coming and monetary policy summary, etc. 12 p.m. That's a heavy day for the GBP. 12:30 we got some news, and bank governor speaks, and USD 3 p.m. will have impact on Thursday. And Friday, 2nd of August, we got non-farm employment 130, and unemployment rate, average hourly earnings. That's another have impact news, and also 7:30 a.m. CHF. You trade on CHF pairs, so keep an eye on that. Right, just jump onto the chart, see what's happening in the chart, and starting from monthly, we see that monthly rejection, as I've said multiple times, right? And what we are looking now, if I go to the weekly chart, as I said it previously, that there's a huge rejection on weekly, and the possible scenario is if it comes up to here next few days, this levels. And monthly, the main, and even if it comes a little bit down, we have a huge rejection, further huge rejection in monthly. So that means the following months the gold can be bearish, most likely. Right. So for now, going on to daily, see what's happening in daily. Market broke this level and came into this level. This broke this structure and retested this level. It came down, and currently market is standing at this level. So this level is important level. And now market is stuck between this and this level. So could be a possible range. And then on the news, we may expect to the downside or to the upside. However, if it comes to the downside, 1, 2, 3, 4, this will be the fifth. So it's possible that it can break this level up to this level, because there's a multiple times market has to try to break this level, but couldn't break. Also, it's another way of looking at is this pattern can be formed, broadening pattern. So let's see how the market moves. So we're looking at the moment currently, we're looking in this area, and we may find trades within the range. If you go into 4 hour and 4 hour and 1 hour, you may find trading opportunities. All right. I hope this is useful, guys. I leave it as it is, and thank you very much. Bye bye.